It's a new semester and I only have one last class to take to fulfill my entire PhD requirements. So I'm taking that this semester, and I'm also a teaching assistant for a class. So I'm doing both of these on the same day, which makes the day really long, but the good thing is that it starts in the afternoon. And so today I have a couple of calls to take. I'll do a little bit of work as much as I can, and then I'm going to head down to start my long day. This is a chocolate babka from Bakey, and I love it so much. I only get it when I am down at Boston Common. It smells so good. It comes in this huge slice, and I think it's absolutely worth it. I love how flaky it is and how each layer has a nice coating of chocolate. It's just so good. Also, look at the snow and look at how much it snowed last night. Okay, I'm gonna go back in now because it's actually really cold out here. Trixie only thinks she wants to be out here. Trixie, you wanna sit on my bed? Here you go. Hi, how are you? So we wanted to talk about the paper, right? And how we plan to move forward with it? Right, okay. Class just ended and I'm walking to my next class now, and I have this irrational fear that I'm gonna fall anytime, so that's kind of scary. Also, I really want to eat a snack, but my hands are way too cold, so that's what's up.